Is poor sleep pulling your hair out? Sleeping in temperatures above 86 degrees reduces your sleep by 14 minutes and negatively affects your scalp health. So, poor sleep can pull your hair out, quite literally. Get yourself out of that hairy situation with a MONAPILLOW. A cool, clean, and comfortable pillow designed for better sleep and a healthy scalp. MONAPILLOW's memory foam is made of graphene. Known for its high level of thermal conductivity, graphene effectively dissipates heat from your head, so it keeps you and your scalp cool throughout the night. MONAPILLOW also keeps itself clean. It features a copper-infused pillowcase, which is both antibacterial and antimicrobial. This means your skin and scalp is safe from germs. Last but not least, MONAPILLOW is designed for comfort. Its ergonomic C-curve design provides firm support for your head, neck, and spine, whatever your sleeping position might be. It even has contours for your ears to rest. MONAPILLOW is an innovative solution for anyone worried about losing sleep and hair. MONAPILLOW's graphene material, copper-infused surface, and ergonomic design keep your head cool, clean, and comfortable all night, so you can sleep like a baby. Support our campaign today and enjoy sound sleep and healthy hair.